Welcome back, my dear student. I am GD sir from Alpha Public School. Today I am going to summarize up the chapter Google Go, and in the previous video I will explain the Google Goal in a three parts. If you have no seen, then go to the my channel and watch out all the three parts and know more thing about the Google Go. Okay, and I will explain I have explained the chapter in three parts. Okay, so today I am summarize of this chapter. So listen carefully, and you know more. You have to learn how to summarize the chapter. Okay, so listen carefully. Here is the Google Go. It is the inspiration chapter, and nowadays many of the women working in different kind of field, and she gets achieve and success from her any field. Okay, so here is the three main character like Hima Das, Swapna Burman, and last is Vishesh Fogart. Okay, all three women are get the success in her life, and also gave the medal or bring the medal for his country, and rise the standard of her life and her family. Okay, so this story, this condition start in a 2018 in Commonwealth Game and Asian Game of 2018, and here is the first personality is Hima Das, who is very poor family, belongs from poor family, and when she won the gold medal, okay, for her country, then the Jakarta newspaper of the Jakarta published about her and says about her determination. Okay, so you can see here beginning of the chapter, the Jakarta publisher congratulated her congratulated her of her appearing in India's star athlete from Assam. Okay, and Hima Das is won the one gold and two silver medal for his country in Asian Games at Jakarta, and she is a sprinter, and she won the race as a fantastic way in 400 meter and 4 into 400 meter and 4 into 400 mix. Okay, and then he reached at the quarter final, and how can she inspired to participate in 400-meter runs when his coach supported him or supported her, and then he first in the beginning Hima Das play participated in inter district event and 2016, and where she won the gold medal in so 100 meter and 200 meter, 400 100 meter and 200 meter, and then when his coach look her that in the beginning he start the slow and pick toward the end. Okay, and it is the perfect condition for the 400-meter event, so his coach shifted her in 400 meters run, and then Hima Das also says to the newspaper that he was interested in his childhood when he reads in her school, and her teacher also supported to play football, and her teacher also suggested him to participate in sports, and her dream is also to make a player of the football, and now she is one of the national star athletes. Okay, And next, we are talking about the heptathlete woman Swapna Burman. Okay, she is also belongs from a poor family, and here is the publisher from the Kolkata, and he published the newspaper 3 September 2018. And when he talks with the Swapna Burman, then the Swapna Burman says that he won the first gold at the Asian game this year is means 2018, and then accumulated it means collected 6226 points from the seven event. Heptathlons is the game, and in this game they are used to seven event. What is the seven event? The seven event were high jump, javelin throw, shoot up, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, and 800 meter runs. Okay, and then he also junior national record holder in high jump before the took up heptathlon on advice of her coach, and her coach name was Subhash Sarkar. Okay, and she is a heroic heptathlon fight with pain and discomfort throughout in the Asian game, but he not defeated from the bad condition, and she has also one extra toy to each foot. And when she participated in the final, he he had the toothache, uh, terrible toothache, but he showing her courage and determination and participate in the all event and won the gold medal and made the history for the India. Okay, and when she won the gold medal and won in the final, she also make a record for the our country. And when she won this all the medal in the final, then he the day was Indian National Sports Day. Okay, which made it extra special for her and her country. Okay, and next he also target uh, do well in the 2020 Olympics. Okay, so here is the Swapna Burman who fight with the different condition, and showing up her courage and determination, and she win the gold medal for her country, and also prove that women is not lack for the in the world of yes man. Okay, so in this condition the next women also participate in the world games. And next is Vishesh Fogart, and when she interview with the publisher of Chandigarh, and he published the news from 5 September on 5 September 2018, and she is the gold medalist in Asian game in India. Okay, as a wrestler. Okay, and here is the Vishesh Fogart's in the beginning. Vishesh Fogart fight with the Yuki Iri of the Japan in the final of the women's wrestling at the Asian Games 2018. And next she also fight with the final in the Yuan son of China, and then Vishesh Fogart won the gold medal. Okay, and Vishesh had suffered a heartbreaking leg injury during the Rio Olympic against Sun. She did not allow that to affect her. She came out a winner with an incredible score 8-2. Okay, and when he landed in Jakarta for the participating in the uh, Asian Game, then he had the extra weight for her competitor, How many weight he had? He had 4 kg extra weight for his competitor, and when he heard this, he not became hopeless. He doing hard work and taking liquid diet in 3 days, and she also lost her 4 kg weight in 3 days by using the liquid diet and workout. Okay, how can he she work out? She work out in non air conditioned hall and increasing his sweating. He doubled number of the training seasons, and then he lost her 4 kilogram. But when he lost 4 kilogram in 3 days, his energy is completely lost, and she is not able to participate and fight with her opposite competitor. But he display uh, brilliant display on the medal stage, and she won the gold medal, and she has won many medal of other event, including a silver at the 2018 Asian Wrestling Championship in Kazakhstan and a gold at the 2018 in Commonwealth game. Okay, so Vikishesh Bhugat is not a common girl. She belongs from a wrestling family, and her uncle and farmer wrestler Mahavir Fogart, and she has two cousins. Her name is Babita Fogart and Geeta Fogart, and hails from the of traditional wrestling family of Bhiwani district. Cousin wrestler Geeta and Babita. Okay, both Commonwealth game medalist. It means he is not belong from a bad family. So it is the traditional wrestler, and all the girls. And nowadays you can see many of the like Sania Nehwal, Sania Nehwal, Hima Das, Vishesh Fogart, and Sidhu, etc. Or the many Indian women who show up his strength before the world and won the many medal many medal in Asian Games and Commonwealth Game. And after the after the winning of the Commonwealth and Asian Games, the women Indian sports was clearly come a long way with 2018 and bringing 66 medal at the Commonwealth Game and 69 medal at the Asian Games. And it is the very uh, very historical moment when she collected 66 medal in Commonwealth game and 69 medal at the Asian Games, and all the women showing her power in Asian Games and Commonwealth Games by winning the different kind of the medals. Okay, and women played a major role at the both sports event. They won 12 gold, 10 silver, and 6 bronze medal at the Commonwealth Game, and 4 gold, 12 silver, and 11 bronze medal at the Asian Game. And such type the many records. Okay, many records become in this years at the Asian Games in Jakarta, Indonesia, and the Games in Queensland, Australia. And the women also show up his talented and hard working in Indian sportswomen, broke many records, and won more and more medal than even before. Before the 2018, never the women won a lot of the medal, but in 2018 in Asian game and Commonwealth game, they broke many record of the medal. And she also make different record like Hima Das. Hima Das won the silver gold medal by record timing of 50.59 seconds. Okay, and such type of the Sapna Burman, who has different condition and to take and have a no such, but she also showing his courage and determination and power. She represent herself before the world and won the gold medal. And also Vishesh Fogart is fought with the Japanese wrestler and China wrestler, and also won the gold medal for his country. Okay, and these type of the women's always make a record for the everyone, and in the next, in the future, we hope that they also show up the name of the India before the world, and they prove that women is not weak and weak at less less before the men's. Okay, so I hope you all understand the summary of this chapter. So you have to write all the hard word from the topic in CW copy and read the paragraph of the topic and write the summary of the topic in CW copy. Okay, and draw the figure of the Vishesh Fogart or figure of Vishesh Fogart or the Swapna Varman or the Himadas in your HW copy. Okay, so I hope you all understand the chapter of this uh, summary of this chapter. So I think you have to complete the book exercise by using his own their own mind, and I will make a different video on the book exercise after that. So wait for the next video. Thank you for the watching video, and best of luck. Thank you.